Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston, and today I'm going to walk you through a 2018 Scout 175 Sport Dorado. We'll start off in the bow. This boat is equipped with a standard bow rail, a standard bow cushion, and a standard stereo with speakers on both sides of the bow seating area. Also standard is 2 forward chase lounges with dedicated storage beneath. You have windscreen and console rail on top of each console. This boat is optioned with Fender Pros for a quick disconnect for attaching and detaching your fenders. This is the optional Rascal Blue hull color. Got the backrests for each rear deck jump seat. It's powered with a Yamaha 115 horsepower motor. You have a standard swim platform on the port side and a standard live well beneath the port side rear deck jump seat. The twin captain chairs are standard. You have cup holders and lockable console storage on the port side console. And this boat is optioned with an additional USB and 12-volt outlet. There's additional storage on the bottom of each console. Has the optional Bimini top and comes with a magic tilt trailer. At the helm of the Scout 175 Sport Dorado, we have this model equipped with a Garmin 54CV with a transom-mounted transducer. You have your digital Yamaha gauges, optional trim tabs with optional LED trim indicator switches. Your head unit for your stereo is just beneath the helm, and you have a adjustable tilt steering wheel. Cup holder also just to the right of the binnacle. Here's a pan of the cockpit area. Really comfortable seating. Moving up to the bow, you have dedicated storage beneath the bow cushion. Anchor storage forward. And storage beneath forward chase lounge in front of each console. As mentioned before, this boat does have the optional Fender Pros, which disconnect and connect easily for removing fenders. This boat comes with a boat cover, an engine cover, and also has a keel guard. Call us at 843-747-1889 or visit us online at MarineMax.com.